yo guys, I'm in this small village called Joida in Karnataka state. I'm waiting for a ride, but I'm not sure. This is proper countryside, in the forest, in the jungle. This is a small village, and the person who gave me a ride, he dropped me here. He said it was his last destination. Karwar? Yeah, this person gave me a ride in Jodi. What is this place called? Joda? Joda. So now I have to head to Karwar, but it's too far. So this person gonna give me a ride for another 4-5 kilometers, but it's fine. This small village, so beautiful. Look at the village. So you guys, I got a ride in the forest, which I wasn't expecting. This person gave me a ride. It's a short ride, but it's fine. You know, people are friendly and lovely. They'll help me out. So you guys, I'm heading to Karwar. I'm in this forest. So peaceful. Just you can hear mostly birds noise and peacocks. Peacocks noise, mostly peacock everywhere. This is incredible. Look at it. Just forest. So peaceful. I'm just walking. I feel so nice walking in this forest. Peaceful. So good. So I finally found a ride from this person. Look at me, excited, happy. No words to describe.
Some areas.
Yeah.
No much sunlight.
Yeah.
No too cold. It is just cool.
Yeah. Yeah, here you feel like cool breeze.
Sure. One time we had a python, sir.
Oh, yeah?
Almost more than 20 feet.
Oh my god.
And the bus had stopped for more than 1 hour.
Wow.
The movement of that, it took 1.5 hours, you know, sir.
Just
Near Amboli River.
Yeah.
Lot of pythons are there. King cobras are many.
Yeah.
I go for postmortem and we have clear lesions there. Gross findings.
So yo guys, I finally reached Karwar. Now I'm on the beach. I was in the forest for 2 days. I met a cool person. He showed me around. So it was fun, and I stayed in the forest for like 2 nights. It was good, 2 days. And now finally I'm on the beach. I finally reached my destination. It's called Karwar. So it's next to Goa. Goa is a bit that way, and I'll be heading this way down south to Kanyakumari. I don't know how long will it take, but I'll go with the flow. Let's see. And I'm in Karwar now. So this is on the beach. Now it's sunset time. You can see. Peace.